Hello everyone. We are discussing about cybersecurity and ethical hacking trainer. There are 3 nodes in cybersecurity and ethical hacking trainer. Each includes a CPU, CPU is connected to a keyboard, mouse and a monitor. All 3 nodes basically are in LAN, and we have used here a smart switch port, and all 3 nodes are connected using Ethernet cables. We call 3 nodes as sender, receiver and hacker. As per the experiment, this sender receiver hacker role is exhibited. We will perform experiment symmetric encryption stream cipher. Here we will do RC4 algorithm. First of all, start cryptography application from home, CACH applications, executables, cryptography apps, cryptography, and select hacker. Now we will move towards sender node and we will do same. Here we will select sender and let's do with a receiver node. Here first of all let me log into OS. Here we will select receiver. Let's get the IP address of sender node. Go to the command prompt shell and input command ifconfig sorry. Here is the IP address of sender node. Let's input this IP address into hacker node's server entry. And connect. Hacker node is now connected. Let's move towards the receiver node and enter the IP address. Now in sender node, choose cryptography method as symmetric encryption and algorithm as RC4. Type any text you want to send it to receiver node. I will send hi message and will click on send. Here in receiver node you can see a received message is in encrypted format and its decrypting process is started, and all the steps of decryption are given below, and decryption is all completed. Now let's see towards the hacker node. Hacker node got the encrypted format message but is unable to decrypt it. So for decryption, hacker node needs valid credentials, and so if hacker node got the cryptography method, algorithm, and then public key, and click on decrypt message. Now hacker node have entered the valid credentials to decrypt the message. Then let me again send the message from sender node. Now see towards the hacker node. Hacker got the decrypted message, but what if he has the wrong credentials? Let me show you. Now let's send message again from sender node. Here in the hacker node you can see encrypted message which has no meaning to the hacker node. So this is the working of cryptography. Here we have used a smart switch port and that is connected to the our lab PC, and lab PC have started with the Wireshark application. Basically we have did the port mirroring of facility of the smart switch port, and so that all the credentials that is going on will be showing on the screen of Wireshark, and you can see the package information that is snipped from these three nodes can be shown here, and all are just encrypted in encrypted format.